What are the qualities of a good football player?
You might say determination, perseverance, and team spirit.
Yes, you are right, but there is much more. Golden Baby League, organized by AIFF, makes football accessible to all.
So, what is this Golden Baby League?
Golden Baby League is a league management application promoting football at grassroots levels in India, developed by the All India Football Federation.
So, come, let's talk more about this event, which is held here in Ryan International School, Nerul, Navi, Mumbai.
Around 30-35 school coaches have come from different Ryan schools, and I'm here to guide them on how to conduct the baby leagues, and hopefully they go back to the school and conduct the baby leagues on their own. So I'm very thankful to the leaders at the Ryan group of schools. I'm very thankful to the principal and all of the staff who made this happen.
This is the vision of our chairman, sir, who always guided us and motivated us to bring our grassroots together, girls and boys both. So now, along with the guidance of All India Football Federation and our coaches and the support of our management, we will be surely having pool of talent in our schools who can be tomorrow the champions of, it will be a support to our district, our state, our nation.
Sir, please tell us about the Golden Baby League competition initiative.
So, Baby Leagues is a player development initiative that we started in 2018. We call it the Golden Baby Leagues now. We have aimed it for children between the ages of under 6 to under 12. We want children to play a lot of football, a lot of fun-filled games. Boys and girls can play together. And the aim is to take this initiative to every corner of the country.
How will this initiative help the players and the new players to improve the game?
League is all about playing. It's not more of result oriented, but it's more of giving play time to the players, and as the line says, football is for all. So it's about having more pool of talent from India and in various corners of India. So we bring in best players from the leagues and represent the country.
This is a good opportunity for the young coming up students, so they can play a lot of football and prepare themselves.
Every kids joining this baby league will have fun.
Sir, how will this initiative help to improve one's game?
It's basically giving more time, and it's a small-sided game. So each individual is going to have more touches on the ball. Is going to experience more instances rather than when he plays a 11-a-side game. So there will be more instances where he is going to experience it, more of decision making, more of awareness. So it's a very good initiative that Ryan group has taken, and it's personally benefited me and all the coaches around me, that how the league is to be conducted, and which will benefit directly to the players.
It's a very blessed opportunity for every Xavierites in every city, like we getting this kind of opportunity.
Children must play more football, then only the children will get chance to improve themselves.
This tournament or this baby league or this system is going to be an app, app mode, and this has been showcased in all over our country. Our management always look out for grassroots, and they always see that each and every child, girl and boy, are involved in sports, and this is the best platform where it can be done.
The league aimed to provide access to football to the children's locality, irrespective of their gender, religion, economic background, and ethnic origin.
The Golden Baby Leagues are cornerstones to building a better future for Indian football, and we are glad that our school has conducted this workshop for us.
On that note, this is Vaija Janissa,
And this is Vajashmi.
along with Vaija Siddhant, signing off from Ryan International School, Nerul for Ryan TV.